About a year ago, I broke this cross piece on my rear fork, the trailing arm, and I repaired it with some JB Weld, and I made this little brace out of aluminum that I JB welded on there. You can see the crack. And I also put in a solid bar in there, inside of aluminum. And it lasted a year, so, and I'm a hard trail rider, so I'm just gonna fix it back. I popped it off, and I'm gonna JB weld it again, and I hope it goes another year. It's kind of a quick trail fix, but if you want to ride, they don't even make these trailing arms anymore, so I'm gonna fix it and go riding tomorrow. Okay, so I took cut a strip of this 65 thousandths aluminum plate, and then I hammered it to the shape of the frame, and I let it go around the side so I have a little gusset just to make it that much stronger. And like I said, it lasted about a year of hard riding, so probably 1,500 miles. I decided to try the Marine Weld JB Weld this time because it appears it has a harder rating, more hardness. And if it goes another year, I'm happy. Now, ideally, you would take it to a welder and he could weld it. Although I do find that it tends to weld great at the weld site, but right next to it, it tends to crack. So I'm trying the JB Weld, and so far, you know, after a year's test, I'm suspecting that this patch will work better because I took more time to clean everything and get the JB Weld all over. And I don't care what it looks like. It's on the bottom of the bike. I did paint it last time to match, and I may not even paint it this time. It's all about getting out and riding.